Hi kiddos, Miss MJ here, and I'm under the ramp going to your portable to show you an example of erosion. So I want you to imagine you are an ant and you're at the bottom of this canyon. It would look like the Grand Canyon, wouldn't it? Okay, I'm gonna move. Look at that. Look at the sides. How cool is that? When you're playing outside, see if you can find some examples of erosion. I'll go back this way. Sorry for the shakiness. It's hard to do it under here. All right. Look at the steep sides. They're like rock climbing sides, not ski slope sides. You see that? Do you see how they're weathering away, eroding away? Pretty cool. All right, kiddos, be looking for examples at your home. Oh, wait, here's one. Look at that. Pretty cool, huh? All right, bye.